Okay, so then now that I've shown you guys and I've poured my glue, I'm gonna go ahead and come in and make a fan for you guys real quick. Okay, so, oops, doesn't look good. Just a nice, okay, little fan like this. And as you guys can see, it's already cured. And it stays just the way I made it, and it's already dry. Okay, no 5 to 6 seconds. See? Nice and okay. I'm going to show you guys on my mannequin who I've already prepped. Okay, again, I'm going to be using a classic lash. Now remember, the product is already on the lash tile, so it's already going to work, okay? Now for anyone that's still slower, I would recommend that you isolate first and then bring in the lash, because it's going to dry so fast, it's going to be dry by the time you bring it in, okay? So isolate your lash first. And then you can go ahead and pick up your eyelash. Run it across the adhesive about 50%. You want to make sure there's no bubbles or no little, you know, glue bubbles, or I don't know how else to describe them. Oh, see, it's already dry. Talk too much. Let's try again. Oops. Okay. Oops. Now you can wiggle the eyelash around to make sure that it's stuck, you know, on well. Now remember, you never want to stick on the skin. Now I know this is a mannequin, so we're going to pretend this is her lash line. You don't want to get too close, okay, because that's going to poke them. So you don't lash the skin. We're about 0.5 to 1 millimeter away from the actual skin, okay? Again, another classic lash. This time we're going to put it in the front. Okay, and as you guys can see, that's already cured. Nice and dry. See, they don't come off when I brush them or anything. Nice and stuck.